So with the about section done and dusted, let's optimize the other areas that you have or you see in your LinkedIn profile. What are they? Sections like headline, experiences, and maybe even endorsements, features, and so on. So each part matters for your professional image, and since LinkedIn has it, you have the option to update all those details. Why do you want to leave those? So I'll walk you through enhancing each section starting with the headline. It is like the title of your professional story. It should be catchy, isn't it? So if you are ready to craft a headline that catches eyes and opens doors, let's go. Now why do we say catches eyes and opens doors? Because the headline is the first thing that people will look on your profile, and if it's catchy, it will open the door for people to get into the other details that you have on your profile. First up, why is your headline critical? It's more than just your job title. Trust me, it's not your job title alone. It's your professional brand's hook. It appears in search results and is key to making that first digital impression count. Yes. So start with the basics, your job title. But what we will do is we'll add a twist with ChatGPT. So let's say you are a marketing manager. So instead of just using marketing manager in your headline, I'll show you how you can make it pop and look better. Here we come back to our ChatGPT screen. Right, let's continue with optimizing the headline for LinkedIn. Say I'm a marketing manager. Suggest some related specialities and value adds. So creating a compelling LinkedIn headline as marketing manager involves highlighting your expertise, specialties, and unique value propositions. So here's a list of related specialities and value adds. So as a marketing manager, these are the specialities that you have already, right? And these are the value adds. Proven track record of increasing online visibility, expert in driving customer engagement, skill in leveraging data analytics, expert in managing cross-functional teams, or strong ability to innovate and adapt strategies to evolving marketing trends. So these are some of the LinkedIn headline examples. Marketing manager, expert in digital strategy, driving brand growth through, So you see, the headline completely changed. It is now telling what exactly do you do, and actually a lot more than what just your job title is. So with what would be some keywords for a marketing manager specializing in growth marketing? Now, keeping the SEO perspective of LinkedIn in mind, we try to know what are the keywords that I should be using in my headline. So if I am having these list of keywords, I can be using this in my headline, I can be using this in my about section, I can be using this in my features, projects, and so on. So these are the list of some of the keywords that I should be using. Now, how can a marketing manager, so that's me, let's say, how can I as a marketing manager describe my benefit to a company? So why should a company hire me, or why should a company work with me? And that's what ChatGPT is going to tell me. A marketing manager can articulate their benefits to a company in a variety of compelling ways. So like a marketing manager can drive business growth, enhance brand visibility and reputation, boost customer engagement, increase ROI on marketing investment, optimizing marketing spend, leading successful teams, innovative marketing techniques, improving customer acquisition and retention, and cross-functional collaboration. It could be any one of these. It could be more than one of these. So awesome. Now that we have all these inputs, suggest some headlines that's sharp, considered, and impactful. So here are some compelling and impactful LinkedIn headlines for a marketing manager specializing in growth marketing. These headlines are designed to capture attention, showcase expertise, and so on. So growth marketing manager, expert in scaling user acquisition and optimizing ROI driven by data and results. Strategic marketing manager, focused on viral marketing. Data-driven growth strategist, specializing in SEO, SEM, and marketing automation. So you see, it carefully uses the keywords and also at the same time tells what I do, what I am good with, and why should you work with me. So that's that. Now that we are done with the headline, we will in the next video move on to detailing on our experiences and skills. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.